Hey, what's up, YouTube? How's everybody today? Fine, I hope. Today, next upgrade is going to be, we're going to put a little power on the bike. And I don't mean no power down here, but a little USB power. Honda makes one of these, but like I say, this is not the one from Honda. This is an aftermarket. There'll be a link in the description. So, hey, let's get busy trying to install this. Hey, wish me luck. All right, we moved locations because it's getting a little warm in the garage. So, like I say, this is what I have here. And this comes with a USB and a USB-C port, and it'll probably light up. So I think I put one of these on the Honda Monkey. You see that video? It's pretty easy installation, and it's going to go right into the to the wiring harness there, and so it'll give power whenever I turn the key on, hopefully. So man, let's get to it. Also, it comes with instructions, which are a little vague, to say the least. It looks like in the first part of this will be, this normally will come in two pieces. Let's go ahead and take this back off. Yeah, I went ahead and put this on, which if you're doing this, don't do that. Like the first part of this, mounting, how does that work? Uh-oh, now so we have a problem. Plus I'm looking at this backwards. It can't go that way. Ooh, that's going to be tight. All right, let's see if it'll work. I don't know. Okay, looks like she's going to go in. Boy, that's going to be tight. Let's see. This is supposed to be the easy part. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. That don't fit. God, I'm only going to join it. All right, that don't fit. Let's see if I can put it upside down. Which I don't think it'd make a difference as far as mounting the charger. Install as shown. Okay, they've got it straight up. If I have to, I can do it, and maybe I'll find a longer screw for this windshield, but it's just for the heck of it. Yeah, you know, I'm going to do this upside down. Kind of by the way I do half my crap anyway. Inside out, upside down. There's the will of the way. Essence, as we used to say in engineering. Let us try anyway. Okay, let's go upside down with that jank. Get that one started. And let's try the second one. To tell you the truth, if that works, that'll actually have me down here. Because up here, it looks like it wouldn't have a whole lot of windshield protection. But down here, it looks like I may have a little bit more anyway. So, we're going to mount that chain upside down. Well, maybe it's supposed to be that way because that came from China. So in China, since they're on the other side of the world and it'd be upside down, maybe it's supposed to be that way, right? And they're walking upside down right now. So we just mounted that joker upside down. If you buy the one, the OEM Honda, it mounts over by the right. Well, it mounts up by the handlebar. And when a video I saw, they had it on the right side. And it has that big old hole, you know, where you put that cigarette lighter plug in. Man, to me, I just didn't like that. I just like these, you know, that's something else you got to deal with. Okay. Righty tighty, Slick. Come on now. All right, there you go, there you go, there you go. Yeah, that's supposed to be the easy part here. When we start digging into this electrical, I don't even know where to start with that. To get in here and look and dig around. But it kind of be easier when I did that little, if you watch, I did this on a little Honda Monkey. You had to take the lighting, the light out, and it went inside the lighting cowling. And man, that joker, whoo, man, it's tough getting that thing. Okay, that's like I said, it's not a how-to video, and but I hope you can, hope this helps you some. You know, you can maybe learn from all the mistakes I'm making along the way, like turning that thing upside down. But anyway, let's take this cowling off. And like I say, it's not a how-to video. I don't give out specs. I do not give out what size torques are, because old Slick just gets in the toolbox and digs. Dig, and find what you need. So that's what I did. And like I said, this is a 2025 model. Everything I've watched before, I've seen on this type video with putting the power in here, it looked kind of complicated, like it was up in this area. And I'll get to that. But looking at these instructions, it appears that the wiring where I'm going to hook this in is in this area. But could it possibly be that simple? Yeah, I don't know. It seems like I struggle sometimes with electrical stuff. But I struggle with everything. Ooh, boy. But you know, you just gotta persevere, man. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? I can actually see the plug-in in here, and I think I can reach it. And since I can't get this cowling off as easy as I thought it would be, let's see. Let's look at this. Let's. If you can see what I've got going on here. Okay, I'm gonna pull that back, try not to break it. Y'all see that little plug right there? I think that's what I plug into, and I think I can reach that. So let me just see if I can plug into there without taking this chain off. Can't be that easy. You know, that guy that's, you know, everybody has a job. And it may be that dude that, you know, he's writing them instructions, and he wrote them upside down first place, I think. And maybe he just needed to add a little bit, trying to make, you know, maybe just trying to make some money. Okay, it looks like inside of here, this is a dummy connector. So I can get that joker out. Well, maybe that's why they wanted you to take it out of here, so you can work with it a little better. There's actually a couple of little pliable, oh wow. Okay, I pulled that straight out. Get a better angle on there. All right, there was a little flexible little parts. All right, so those little rings right there, they were pliable, and I just pulled two of them off, and I was able to, I don't need no stinking instructions. Hopefully it can laugh. Famous last words. So I was able to pull that off and pull this out. Okay, we rewriting the book. Yeah, it's going to turn out to be a more helpful video than I thought, maybe, because if I don't have to pull that darn cowling off. Okay, let's see if I can get this dummy plug off. So take this off and keep it I always had the hardest time trying to get these silly things off. Move this mirror out of my way. How you going? How you working, buddy? Don't ever know where to push, pull. Hold your mouth a certain way. Okay, all right, looks like I'm about to find something to push down in that little hole. That's what she said. Yeah, let's see. Oh, wow, that came out. All right, can you see that right there? All right, that little dummy plug came out. And now I got a lot of wire here. So, let's see. Oh, okay, snap, oh snap, okay. I've got 2 wires here on this thing I ordered. I have 2 wires. So now the dummy plug is going to go back on this one. Okay. Now I'll have that one. So when I hook something, if I need to hook something else up, now this should just plug in right. Ain't no way that's going to be that easy. Okay, that little part right there, that's where that little strap was on. So let's see. Now before I tuck that in, I'm going to start addressing. Well, I'm going to see if it works first. Let's do this. Oh yeah, baby, I got power. I got the power. Calm down, son. Okay, I hope you stayed to the end of this video because this is actually a lot simpler than I made it look. Hey, I have a link to the description. I have a link in the description to this charger. So if you do this, if you get this, just remember this. Go ahead and flip the charger, flip the bracket upside down. It mounts easier, and it looks better, and it's more protective. And also, you do not have to take that cowling off. The left side, you don't have to take that plastic off at all. Just look down in there, pull those little clamps off, pull your wire off, undo that little dummy plug, plug the plug in for your charger, then take the dummy plug, and there's another power plug there. So you have access if you need to charge something else or to hook something else up. The plug is there available, ready to go. So this is actually pretty easy. Hey, they're not just get it all tidied up and it all looks good. So hey, anyway, man, hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you didn't get anything out of this, hey, know this: God loves you. So does old Slick. But hey, just like old Slick, sometimes you're gonna do what you're gonna do. So y'all be particular. All right.